Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, where I teach Japanese using fun animations. My name is Kawai-san and I'm a certified Japanese language teacher. In this first video, I'll be introducing you to the basics of the Japanese language. Japanese is a fascinating language with a unique writing system and grammar structure. It may seem intimidating at first, but I promise it's not as difficult as you might think. First, let's start with the writing system. Japanese has three writing systems: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana and katakana are two-syllabic scripts used to write Japanese words, while kanji are Chinese characters that have been adopted into the Japanese language. Hiragana is the first writing system you'll learn when studying Japanese. It consists of 46 characters and is used to write Japanese words and particles. Katakana is the second writing system you'll learn. It also consists of 46 characters and is used to write loan words from other languages. Kanji is the most challenging writing system to learn, as there are thousands of characters to memorize. However, once you've learned some basic kanji, you'll find that it's easier to read and write Japanese. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to the Japanese language. In the next video, we'll be learning some basic Japanese phrases and vocabulary.